So if you're experiencing postpartum hair shedding or chronic alopecia or hair thinning or stunted hair growth, please don't panic. What if I told you that 3 simple seeds from your kitchen can be turned into a nourishing scalp oil that may help keep your scalp condition and your hair stronger? And the best part is that I'm going to show you exactly how I prepare mine. So keep watching and let's get started. After pregnancy, many women notice that their hair starts shedding more than usual, and honestly, it is very worrying. That is why today I'm making this potent hair growth oil. I love this combination because both seeds, all the seeds, are traditionally used in hair care to take care of some scalp issues and reduce hair shedding. So for this oil, the first ingredient or the first seed I'll be making use of is fennel seed. So for fennel seed, I'm going to measure a tablespoon, and I'll grab my clean jar and pour it into the clean jar. So for this formulation, make sure you are using a heat resistant container, just like as you can see me do. Don't use plastic for this because we are going to be infusing this into a carrier oil. Make sure you are not using plastic for this. And guys, as we continue, I'm going to share with you some of the benefits of these powerful seeds when it concerns hair growth. Do you understand? So the second seed I'll be making use of is fenugreek seed. So for fenugreek seed, I'll measure a tablespoon as well, and I'll add it into my clean jar. So the reason why I'm stressing clean jar is because we don't need dirt in the oil. So whatever formulation you are doing, make sure that all your equipment are clean. Do you understand? So after that, I'm going to introduce my carrier oil. So in this case, I'll be making use of sunflower oil. So I'll measure about 100 grams or 100 ml of sunflower oil, and I'll pour it into my jar. So you can make use of any carrier oil of choice. Do you understand? If you want, you can make use of coconut oil, olive oil, or whatever oil you have. So we are making about 100 ml of hair growth oil. Okay, so after that, I'm going to mix very well, and then I'll cover it and grab my pot of water bath and sit this jar into the water bath. Then we'll head over to the stove to infuse this for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. So we are going to do the infusion process on a low heat. Do you understand? You can infuse this for up to 2 hours to make sure that all the benefits from these powerful seeds are infused into the carrier oil. That is our target, you know. So guys, after infusion, I allow it sit overnight, and after that, this is what I have. So you can see our powerful hair growth oil looking so beautiful. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to mix it properly. Just turn it and sieve. So for the sieving part, just grab whatever you have to do the sieving process, because you know it's not in a powdered form. That is why I'm making use of this my sieve for that. If it is a powdered form, I would advise you to make use of a cheesecloth or nylon bag or whatever wig cap, whatever sieve, whatever cloth sieve you have will do for that. So, but because this is not in a powdered form, it was easy for me to sieve, and the oil is looking so clean. So I'm going to introduce other recipe into the oil to make it more powerful and more effective. So for that, I'm going to add my black seed oil. This is black seed oil. So for black seed oil, I measure a tablespoon and pour it into the oil. So like I said, I'm going to share with you some of the benefits of this recipe, the ingredients as we proceed. So don't worry about that. Or you can go ahead and do your research. Do your research to understand what you are applying on your scalp or on your skin. Do you understand? So before you make use of anything, go ahead and research on them so that you'll be convinced on how it will help you resolve whatever issue you have. So I haven't done that. I mixed it properly and I will introduce my next recipe, which is my rosemary essential oil. Very powerful essential oil. So for that, I'll introduce 5 drops of essential oil into the beaker. And after that, I'll mix it very well. And I'm going to add the next recipe, which is the last but not the least recipe for this oil. So that is my vitamin E oil. I'm using the tocopherol version of vitamin E oil, which is very strong, to protect the oil from oxidation and increase its shelf life. So basically the oil is meant to stay for a very long time, still fresh, and also still very effective. So that is basically the use of this vitamin E oil. So for vitamin E oil, make sure you are using the effective one, the very original one, which is the tocopherol. Okay, so for that I measured a half teaspoon of vitamin E oil, and I'll mix everything to combine very well. So after mixing, I'm going to can it. So I grab my bottle, my hair growth oil container, and I'm going to pour it into my bottle. So if you want to buy hair growth oil from me, go ahead and send me a DM and I'll deliver it wherever you are. So guys, as I show you how I can this oil and equally show you how to apply it, we are going to share some of the benefits of this oil. You understand? So like I normally say, before you make use of any DIY, make sure you do your own research to be convinced of what you are using. Do you understand? So guys, these ingredients can help nourish and condition the scalp and hair. It can reduce breakage, which is important for retaining length. It can also condition the scalp and stimulate growth over time. However, postpartum shedding is usually related to the normal changes in the hair growth cycle after pregnancy. But with gentle and consistent care, the hair will be strengthened. So if you are currently experiencing postpartum shedding, don't be discouraged, okay? Give your hair time, be gentle with it, and focus on taking good care of your scalp and retaining the hair you already have. I'm going to apply it on my scalp and massage it as well. Like I normally say, when you apply this oil, you follow it up with scalp massage so that your scalp will absorb all the benefits from the oil and give you a better result. So after massaging it on my scalp, I will also apply the oil on the hair shaft at the tip of my hair as well. You can use this oil again for pre-poo. So sometimes before you wash your hair, you apply this oil on your scalp, apply it very well on the hair shaft. Make sure you saturate it with your hair shaft with this oil. If you are using it for pre-poo, you saturate the hair shaft with this oil. If you are using it for pre-poo, that is, if you are going to apply this oil before you wash. So if you do that, you cover it for some minutes, for like 30 to 45 minutes before you wash. Do you get? So you can use it as pre-poo as well. Okay. If you enjoyed this recipe, subscribe to my channel because I have more simple natural hair treatment coming your way. And tell me in the comments, have you experienced postpartum hair shedding before and how did you handle it? I would like to know your experience in the comment section. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Bye.